Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be showing you guys how to add, your business or location on Google Maps. So if you're having a business and you're thinking of adding the business to Google Maps, then this video is for you. So first of all, open Google Maps and go to the particular location that you want to add that may be your business or whatever. So go to that particular location. Okay, so in here, my map is in the satellite view. Let me switch to default mode. Okay, so you'll be seeing something like this. So you'll be seeing something like this, okay? Be seeing something like this. So let's say I want to add, a business at this particular place. At this particular place of the map. So long tap on the particular place that you want to add the business. So long tap on the particular place that you want to add. You realize a pin there will be a drop pin at that particular place that you want to. And there will be a pop-up menu. So you realize in here, there's a pop-up menu in here. So scroll down through the menu and select if it's your business, then tap on add your business to maps for free. Add your business to map for free. If it's not your business but you want to add a location of maybe something else, then you tap on the add a missing place. Add a missing place. Yeah, and the place name, so maybe Asa Food. So this is the place. So after you've entered the name, select the category of the place that you've added. So maybe if it's a pub or whatever, hotel, anything, you have to select it. Or maybe if it's a church. So scroll through the menu and select the one that best fits the option that, the name and the place that you are trying to add. So food and drinks. Maybe it's a bar. So bar. Okay. Then you scroll down. So they add more details. This is where you can add the working hours, the contact of that particular person, the website, and the place. Yeah, so after you're done with that, after you're done with adding all these details, you just tap on the submit. Just tap on the submit. Yeah, and that's it. And you'll be given some points. That if you're a community guide, you'll be given some points, and Google will review your, the addition that you are trying to make and approve it. So after it has been approved, realize the location will be on the Google Maps, the particular place that you added that particular location. Okay, so if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. Okay, see you in the next video.